everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a weather app to your home screen on your Android phone. So just find some open space, hold down on the home screen, and go to Widgets. And then we can add a widget under here. So we want to go to Browse if we don't see it there, and look for a weather app. So I have Pixel Weather. I can choose it right here. And then I can decide if I want this one or this one. I can just go to the top, select this, and go to Add. And then I can adjust this to make it smaller or bigger. So if you want to take it up the entire screen, and then you can just hold down on it and move it to whatever slide you want. So let's bring it over here, this last slide where nothing is, and I can see the weather. Now if the location is not correct, you can just hold down on this or just tap it, and you should be able to go to it and change the location, and it'll say exactly where you're located. So just look at it and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.